Hi, how are you?
Hello. I'm good, thank you. How about you?
I'm doing well, thanks for asking. What's your name?
My name is Mona. And you?
Nice to meet you, Mona. I'm Sam. Where are you from?
It's nice to meet you too, Sam. I'm from Germany. How about you?
I'm from the United States. Are you enjoying your time here?
Yes, I am. The people are friendly, and there's so much to see and do. How about you?
I'm glad to hear that. I'm also enjoying my time here. There are many interesting places to explore. Have you visited any tourist attractions?
Yes, I've been to the famous landmarks downtown and visited some museums. It's been a great experience. How about you?
That sounds wonderful. I've been to a few museums as well and enjoyed walking around the city. Are there any local foods that you recommend?
Definitely. You should try the traditional German sausages and pretzels. They are delicious. Is there anything specific from your country that I should try?
Absolutely. You must try a classic American cheeseburger and some homemade apple pie. They're popular and really tasty. By the way, how long will you be staying here?
I'll be here for another 2 weeks. I want to make the most of my time and explore as much as I can. How about you?
I'll be here for a month. We still have some time to discover new places together. Maybe we can plan a day trip to the countryside.
That sounds like a great idea. I'd love to explore the countryside with you. Let's plan it soon. It was nice meeting you, Sam.
Have a safe journey back to Germany, Mona.
Thank you, Sam. I hope you have a wonderful time during the rest of your stay in the United States.
Safe travels, Mona. Keep in touch.
Definitely, Sam. I'll send you an email once I'm back home.
Sounds good, Mona. Looking forward to hearing from you. Have a fantastic day.
You too, Sam. Have an amazing day ahead. Goodbye.
Likewise, Mona. I'm glad we had a chance to chat. Enjoy the rest of your day, and I'll see you soon.
Thank you, Sam. Have a great day too. See you soon.